lenkonzo le sivile embalini uba yaqalwa ngabantu abangafundanga. Lenkonzo le yake yama imiswa ngabantu abangenemali, but babehlangene nesilo sasezulwini, babehlangene noHoly Spirit. uHoly Spirit made them to be relevant. As uneducated they are, as untrained they are, they had no theology, they were not exposed to YouTube, they knew no Facebook. Solemnly they depended upon the Holy Spirit. You can live and survive depending on the Holy Spirit. Yahlupheka uma ingcwele uyibeka lento sekephumile uOzayo, because uOzayo is an example yomuntu ophila ngomoya. Le ndoda ayikwazi ubhala le ndoda ayikwazi ufunda le ndoda ayisazi isilungu le ndoda yazalwa inyawo zijonge emva. At teenage yayivuza izincwe le ndoda, ingakwazi uthetha. Yahlabelela ku-teachers prayer, wayekhona uTata uMvinjela. I-deliverance ne-breakthrough yakhe yaqala apho xa bebalisa back late in 2000s. From there one record uOzayo, from there the rest was history. Namhlanje akakayo esikolweni uOzayo usurvive ngoHoly Spirit. Noba ungashumayela ngeEnglish akayizwi English, then umniki altar call, he will be relevant. Noba ungashumayela ngeEnglish and then uthi uOzayo give us a song, he will sing a song that connects to the message, because the guy lives by the Spirit. The guy ayinayo any advantage. He is an example of being led by the Spirit. Akanayo any advantage. Makafuna uya ku-ATM kumele aphelekezelwe ngoba he cannot use the little that he knew. Okungana kwaziyo ngoku operate cell phone ne laptop ukufunda now into yayizolo. But the guy only depends on the Holy Spirit. He can take a flight to Joburg njengamanje ye-airport, uhamba yedwa akazazi i-dealings ne-protocols. Uzawuncedwa ngumoya ingcwele omxelelayo uba ubhodisha ku-gate number bani, ufly safema ingena i-SMS akakwazi uyifunda uOzayo, but uye-airport ngoku. After 2 hours uzawufona athi ngiseJoburg. The guy ikhomekeke kuHoly Spirit. That is the gospel. Oh.